What is going on, YouTube fam? Steve from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour video. So this week, instead of doing the traditional luxury condo tour that you've known to have seen on this channel before, I have switched it up a little bit and brought to you guys a 2-bedroom, 1-bath townhome in the Miami market, a listing that I recently just picked up. Now, this comes in perfect timing because I was recently reading over some of the comments and I realized that the Miami market is a lot more expensive than I thought. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I've known that the Miami market is definitely a lot more expensive when you consider other parts of the country. And maybe it's just me that I've been selling real estate for far too long. I'm a bit jaded on the prices, but definitely reading over the comments, I've realized that a lot of the content that I share on this channel, a lot of the properties that I share on this channel that either I've sold or I've listed are definitely a lot out of reach, if you will, for a lot of those buyers and renters who are watching these videos. So with that being said, I've gotten a lot of questions over the last few months asking, is there any affordability in the Miami market? And yes, I have tried to show you some of those properties within this channel if you've been following along, but definitely haven't done a good of a job on that. And it just seems that everything is super hyper priced. And although the Miami market is very expensive, I will say that, there definitely is some options to be had that are in quote unquote affordable. Affordability is going to vary from one person to another person. Where one person may find affordable, obviously other people may not find so much affordable. But I think we can all agree that a 2-bedroom, 1-bath townhome listed for $325,000 is in the ballpark of affordability, at least in today's market. So the next logical question, of course, is, well, what does a $325,000 townhome in Miami get you? Well, for one, it's about 800 square feet of interior living space spread over 2 floors, which comes fully renovated and fully furnished. You also get a private patio along with 1 parking space in a gated community. But the major selling point of this property in particular is your close proximity to Wynwood, which, if you don't know, is the art district of Miami and one of Miami's most visited and prized neighborhoods. So we're going to jump straight into today's property tour, and there's a lot that I want to show you guys in just a moment. But first, a quick announcement on the channel. Look, the channel is just a few hundred subscribers away from reaching 5,000. And the reason why this is so important is that once I do hit the 5,000 mark, I will be making a special announcement. Without giving too much away, all I can say is that it's a 5-star experience that you definitely don't want to miss. All the details will be given after we reach the 5,000 subscriber mark. So if you haven't done so already, please help this channel out to getting to that number by clicking that subscribe button, of course, if you haven't done so already, and sharing this video, which will greatly help expedite this process. And that's it, guys. No more announcements. Obviously, like the video to help me out as well. But other than that, let's get straight to it and enjoy. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.